When winter comes, what do you think the bees do? Sleeping? No? Bees are tireless workers who take care of their mother even in winter and keep the hive warm. They create the conditions to survive. They do not hibernate, but remain in the hive and reduce their activity. They are grouped into a so-called tuft, where they maintain a temperature of around 20 degrees Celsius. The bees from the middle of the tuft alternate with those at the edge so they don't freeze. Except for the mother, she is always in the middle. This is how bees take care of each other. They rub against each other in a tuft, creating heat, and that's why they don't solve expensive energy.